precise brush, really thin. And also the pigment is so pigmented and the consistency is amazing. It's not runny at all, but also it's not too thick. So then you can have a full control of what you are going to do. I used to really having a hard time with the gel painting. I don't know how I can able to control this and it to get the right consistency. So this is gonna be your bestie for painting. And I have another nails that we're gonna do is bonus later, and we can do it for like skinny French tip on the tip and then pigments on. So 2 coat of number 24 is a jet black, and I did each layer is 60 seconds. And on the last coat I did no wipe top coat. I just want to walk through all of that so then you won't be missing any steps. So make sure you have the no wipe top coat first here for 60 seconds. So then when you are finished with the painting, you want to cure and rub the pigment. It will not stick on the black base, because or else if you don't have a top coat, it's gonna stick on the black base and it's not gonna look like really nice at all. So we start, it is so many different ways to do swirl. It doesn't matter, whatever you do, you will never go wrong with this, okay? It doesn't matter. You can be swirl on the top, on the bottoms, on the middle. You're gonna have so much fun with this because this does all the work for you. So I'm gonna clean, like release the most of the gel painting off. So I'm gonna start with, you can see that I'm holding like about 45 degree. So you are going to give it the first move first, and do not worry if it's not perfect. So you're gonna do it press first, press about 45 degree, and then when you get closer you're gonna keep your brush flat, and make sure your fingers right here, you can either lean against with one of other fingers or fingernails if you have longer nails like me, and then you can do is give it pressure and keep it flat and release. Again, you can repeat it. Let me move the brush on this side. And also you can move the client's fingernails. You hold it stationary, however, do not worry and feel free to move your client's fingernails. So I'm gonna do a slow motions for a lot of us who is really afraid of to doing this because you think you will not have a steady hand. My hand sometimes gets shaky too, but then I didn't realize that how easy this brush. Look at that. I just like move it, but don't worry because we're gonna do is some more swirls on it. And I'm going to go back from the top and do it, repeat it the same thing. So I'm going to go in from the bottom. So here the cool tip and trick, you can get yours a first start a thicker, and then closer to the tails you get a skinnier and thinner. And it does move like really precise for you. All right. Hey, Mama Vic, how are you? Hi, Isabel. Happy Fridays, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Happy Friday. You see that I'm holding my fingers really still. And then add it on. I used to really afraid to paint like this. Sweat all the time. Since this it changed my life. It's become so much fun. I can swirl this all day long. And people like, oh my goodness. The client's like, Nancy, you are getting it, huh? I said, yeah. So you can tell, huh? You see what I mean? I said you will never go wrong with this because I said it. It is. You know what? Doing the clients nails, like real clients, it's even easier to do than the swatch stick. There you go. With the not much of the gel polish, you loading on your brush, which is give you a really ability of control it the way you wanted it. You can add, you can do more as you want to. I'm gonna add some. Just hold, you see that how this fingers always really stay like tight and leans on the other fingers, which is give me abilities of move and guide the bristle the way I wanted it. Okay. Hey babe, how my painting is?
Looks fine.
Looks not bad at all.
Mm-hmm.
I usually really like nervous in front of him painting because he's gonna laugh at me like you're like a little kid's like learning how to draw with like what did you do? Draw the sticks? But then with this, it's given me a lot of vision of how I can able to do it. That's not bad, huh?
It looks nice though.
Well, I know that you don't have other choice to say. But thanks, babe.
Yeah, but like even just black and white out, that looks pretty nice.
It's clean?
Mm-hmm.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah. You can look either white or black.
Oh, here. It's got a little bit of, you see that? A little right here. Do not worry. Looks, that's how you're a beautiful, the dual end. I love this. It's so, it come handy. So I'm not using just this silicone like tip. Look at what I'm doing. I'm gonna just clean it.
Yep, it worked like almost like an eraser.
Yeah, let's just take it away. If you're happy with this, you can here. Hold on, here for. Yep, you can add here for